National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Kittson County in northwest Minnesota, northeastern Pembina County and northeast North Dakota until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm was located 6 miles northeast of Bathgate, or 36 miles north of Grafton, moving to the east at 30 miles per hour. The tornadic storm will be near Joliet around 5 p.m., Humboldt around 5:10 p.m., Orleans and Northcote around 5:20 p.m., Hallock around 5:25 p.m. For motorists on Interstate 29, the tornadic storm will be between mile marker 214, around 4:55 p.m., and mile marker 207, around 5 p.m. Precautionary/preparedness actions. If you are in the path of this tornado, abandon cars and mobile homes for a sturdy building.